Welcome to Guide Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to turn off Safe Search on Google Chrome in your PC or laptop. Now, for that, make sure you open your Google Chrome and you are logged into your Google account. Now, at this home page of Google Chrome, at the right side at the top, just beside your profile icon, you can see three dot icon. You have to click over there. Here you can see numerous options. All you have to do is click on settings. Now at the left side again you can see various options. All you have to do is click on privacy and security. Now scroll down a bit. There you can see the option security. You have to click over there. Here you can see safe browsing option, and under that category you can see three options, that is enhanced protection, standard protection and no protection not recommended. All you have to do is click on this option. Now this box will pop off. After reading this, all you have to do is click on turn off. Now you can see that your safe search on Google Chrome has been turned off. But remember that this does not protect you against dangerous websites, downloads and extensions. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.